Welcome to the channel. Here's Trader Jan speaking. It's been a while since I've been online, and there are certain reasons I did a lot of background work. But that's the topic for another video. This video is about the market analysis, about the preparation for the upcoming trading day. We are already in the middle of the European session, at the end actually already, and we are, as you can see here, it's 8:16. This is Chicago time. Opening of the markets is 8:30 in the US. So the market analysis here, I changed a little bit my approach. If you look at my former videos, I tried to simplify, and let's see how it goes. So first, preparation of the day is for sure we're going to look at the economic calendar. The major event today is from 7:30 US time. It was already over. Is the initial jobless claims, which came below the forecast. Usually a sign of a stronger dollar, which sometimes is a sign of for the indexes to go down actually to be a bit more bearish. Then we got a 3 o'clock US time, a 3-star rating event as well. US president is speaking then. So now top-down approach. I have my analysis. I'm doing that in the 15 minutes chart and in the main trading chart. I changed my trading chart to 200s delta chart. And I changed as well to trade micros because I was just trading too much risk with the minis and with my account size. So I changed to micros and a 200 delta chart. And here on the right side, I've got my 15 minutes chart, my 1 hour chart, and my 1 day chart. I've got on a separate screen the footprint of the ES. So just to check out the correlations there. But that's my main chart. That's my trading terminal here. I like to keep it simple. So let's look at the major areas. Here we can see today has already started. That's already current day. So what I gonna do is I just mark the daily highs and lows. Those are places which are always interesting because every trader knows them, and they're always a good reason for the market to react. I'll just go a little bit back here. That's a huge jump here, so I mark that one, and for sure something here. Then I look a little bit back, so here I'm more inclined to take that high volume node here to that volume area high. Since the market is in kind of a downtrend, I'm hesitating to over engineer too much here. So let's say we take that one here as well. But this one is not high, daily high. So I mark the daily highs and lows. I mark them separately in a separate color to be able to differentiate between those which are daily highs and lows and those which are not. So let me check. Do we have anything? Ooh, that's the last 60 days, so we are pretty much at the end. I will not analyze further. I'm just curious about the market opening. So we have here, oh, just about 1,000 ticks. Probably not enough. Let's see what we have here and how long others will need to download the data. Okay, that looks pretty much okay. So did we go any deeper last 120 days? Oh, not. Naja, okay. So I keep that one for the moment. I want to keep the eye on the clock. So what I do then after I have marked the daily highs and lows, I look for those kind of situations. So I like those. That was a support area here, and now it gets a resistance. I like those areas. Not here and here, but I mark them in a different color. Those are support and resistance areas. This one here might have another chance here. Look at that. Look at those here. Yep. That here is a small one. That's here. That was a support here, resistance here. And here's another nice area here. It was support here and became resistance there. And there is a certain likelihood that this happens again in the future. So here in between 400 ticks. No, I'm not, don't want to over tick those areas. So no, that's fine for me at the moment. We might have some area here as well. Nice how those are looking like here. So now I can compare that one with my market map. That market map actually is um, showing the actual trades and the volumes which happens there, and shows it in a heat map form, which I personally like for trading. If I look here, that one I like to move a little bit deeper because the real trading only started there. Okay, then we stay there. Here's something where there was a lot of volume coming in. That was about 10:30. So likely that there gonna be a reaction. I'm gonna mark it more towards the bottom here because the market will come from the bottom up here. Do we have anything here? And then we have this area up here. Okie dokie, that was some fine tuning. So that's my market analysis. Those are the locations where I'm gonna look out for potential trades. If it's like in the middle, I'm not concerned about trading too much. So that is the 15 minutes chart. Let's check some of them. I'm gonna put on the big screen, on the trading screen as well. So we have already 8:25. So here we can see we are in the middle of that range here. So trading strategy wise, it is clearly short. It's short from an 1 hour perspective, short from a 15 minutes perspective. So let's see what's going on. We we want to look for that area here and this area. When it comes up here, then I'm inclined to go more long, and when it goes here, I'm inclined to go short. If there's a range building up here, then for sure I'm gonna check out what is happening exactly here if the market comes back in there. So bias of the market is short, and but as we all know, nobody knows. Then that's for today for the market preparation. See you on the trading floor.